Jordan's it fit?
Yeah,
You wear this a lot?
At awards graduation.
Okay, well, I think I might break
Don't
it.
you put your arms through somewhere, or do you just go like...
Try it.
Oh, look at Jesse.
Oh, you're gonna stretch
Okay.
No, you have to put these straps on.
Oh my god. Plays all over this.
Okay.
Well, Matt, I don't want to just...
Jesse.
like this.
You look so gay.
This, that, there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Adorable.
It
Hey,
is.
do you have any socks or anything?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do you have a D cup or what?
Here. Stop it. Can you do a cheer for me? That's not a cheer.
Cheers.
Cute. Look at them boobies.
Don't look at my boobs. Okay.
I'm out of the picture.
No. Oh, cute.